Hello everyone, this is Rescue app, and if you don't subscribe to my channel before, please click on subscribe and like us. So let's get into the video. This is the Rescue app. In this Rescue app, we have added a new feature which is called as Journey Alert. Journey Alert in the sense, before you begin to a journey or before you are starting a journey somewhere to other place by booking a car or any personal vehicle, so you can give an alert to your inmates or your friends or your family members who you have added in this Rescue app. So let's get into the video, guys, how this feature works and what are those in the Rescue app. So this is asking me to sign in the app. This is the Rescue app. After you just open the app, it will ask for a fingerprint access. If you don't have fingerprint, it will automatically open the app. So this is only for the fingerprint feature, guys. So I'm adding my fingerprint.
Login successful.
Yeah, my login is successful. So now getting into the new features. New feature here, you can see a car symbol, right? This is the journey alert. So we'll go into the journey alert. I'm clicking on journey alert. Begin your journey safely. So this is the current location, guys. This is the current location, and you need to enter your destination address, or you can spot out the location here by clicking on this location bar. On clicking this location bar, it will open the Google Maps here. So after opening the Google Maps, just click on your current location. It will show your current location. So where you want to travel, just click on that. I want to travel from my location to here. I just got a marker here, and if you want to move that marker, you can also move that marker anywhere, guys, and you can spot out your location in your locality or anywhere. I'm just parking this one. Yeah, this is my how marked my location, guys, and I'm going back. So I got my destination location. So if you can give address also, guys, here, no problem. Yeah, maps will detect it. So after that, you need to take a picture of the vehicle registration number. You can take a picture of it or you can upload. Both options are there, guys. I have already taken a picture of vehicle registration number. I'm uploading that here. I'm clicking on choose image, and I'm clicking on this vehicle number, and just crop the vehicle number, guys, so it can easily visible to everyone. I'm just cropping the vehicle number, and it will upload the image. You have to wait for some time, guys, just a few seconds or 130 seconds. Yeah, upload is success. Image has been uploaded, and it will generate a URL. Click on OK. So after clicking that, everything is done, guys. Just click on start journey. It will send alert to your contact numbers. Just click on start journey.
Internet connected.
Yeah, message has been sent.
Login successful.
Actually, message has been sent to my contacts, guys. I have added a 5 contacts in my Rescue app. So message has been sent to those images, sent to those numbers. So later, this is the journey feature, guys, journey alert feature. It will send a SMS via SMS. It will send a SMS to every 5 users. So the message length is somewhat big, guys, so it will charge somewhat more SMS balance. Since if you are unlimited plan user, every day it will give 100 SMS pack, so it can be used. So nobody uses SMS nowadays, so you can use this for this purpose. For that only I have made an app. Generally we used to worry that SMS balance is wasting, so you can use that SMS balance to rescue app, and you can use that. So this is a new feature, guys, this journey alert, and there are two more features which are available in this app. That is this panic call. Red button is panic call, and this blue one is rescue tracker. So this is the rescue tracker, guys, location tracker. You can track your friends or family members location from here. Just enter their mobile number and they enter the code and click this send button thrice, so you can get their exact location in the map. So you need to have a generate code, guys. Everyone has a share code or generated code. You have to take their code and you have to enter here, and you need to get their location. So if the both guy I mean if the both persons have any if the both persons have a rescue app, then only it will allow you to track, guys. Otherwise you cannot track their location. Both should have rescue app. So tell your inmates or your friends or your family to install rescue app, so you can track them each other. So this is the location tracker, guys. And coming to next, these are the features, guys, in rescue app. This is a panic call, and you need to add your contacts here, and you can see the contacts here. So if you like our app, and plus just give a feedback here, guys, on this feedback button. Just click on the feedback and rate us here. So if you like this app, please rate us. So this is the donate feature, guys. You can donate through Paytm, Google Pay, anything, guys. It will help for us for further developments of the app. So you can donate your how much you want. How much you can donate, you can donate. There is no limitation, guys. You can donate how much you want. Just enter your mobile number, email, and the amount, and click on submit, and you can donate here. So this is how the
Internet connected.
rescue
Login
app
successful.
works. You can share the app also here. Share icon is available. You can share to your friends and family this app, and you can rescue others by giving a alert. So this is it, guys. So if you like this app, please subscribe to our channel and like us. Don't forget to click the bell icon, so you can get our new updates every day. Thank you, guys.